So when we talk about the anatomy of the heart has a base which is there on the top. Pericardium base was below. It was attached to the central tendon of diaphragm. Now logically you understand why pericardium is attached to the central tendon of diaphragm, because both developed from same source. What was the source? Septum. Okay. But base of the heart is on the top. Okay. Base. And apex of the heart lies in which intercostal space? The fifth intercostal space. Okay, you can feel the heartbeats. Okay, so on that Bollywood heroes, heroine, they say mera dil. No, mera dil किधर है? This side. Many times somebody says mera dil इधर है. The dil is where? Left side. मेरा दिल धड़कता है, हार्ट बीट इज फेल्ट इन द फिफ्थ इंटरकॉस्टल स्पेस ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड. ओके. Base of the heart is formed mainly by the left atrium, but also by the right atrium. Mainly by the left atrium. तो एग्जाम में पूछते हैं base of the heart is from the left atrium, right atrium, left atrium and right atrium, and fourth option. So for the left atrium, no, right atrium also contributes to the base. Left atrium is mainly behind, so therefore it forms the base. Apex of the heart. Right border, inferior border, left border. Okay. Sulcus, which horizontally divides the atria from the ventricles, is called as coronary sulcus. Is called as coronary sulcus or atrioventricular sulcus. Coronary sulcus. Okay. ऐसा लगता है ना कि कुछ पता चला हाथ inches closer to become a cardiologist, coronary sulcus. And this is the interventricular sulcus. So here is right atrium, here is right ventricle, here is left ventricle. Okay. Apex of the heart is formed by left ventricle. Inferior border is formed by right ventricle plus, mainly by the right ventricle, but plus left ventricle. Right border of the heart is formed by right atrium. Left border लेफ्ट एट्रियम यहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ा सा दिखता है, not drawing. Each atria has a projection called auricle, so that auricle is seen here. So base, apex, right border, inferior border, left border. Now we talk about the surfaces of the heart. We talk about the surfaces of the heart. Anterior or sternocostal surface. Anterior or sternocostal surface. ये सामने जो है वो anterior और sternocostal surface. Formed by right atrium plus left right ventricle plus left, okay, नीचे inferior or diaphragmatic surface, inferior or diaphragmatic surface, नीचे ये diaphragmatic surface पे आपको हाथ को रखना, जब हाथ पे रखना, जब एग्जाम में we will be talking about put the heart in anatomical position, put it, your diaphragmatic surface should be touching the hand and apex should be like this. So diaphragmatic surface is formed by left ventricle mainly and right ventricle. Mainly left ventricle diaphragmatic surface. Okay? And the last is left surface. Formed mainly by left ventricle and left atrium. हो गया सबका लिख के? Left ventricle, inferiorly mainly left. Because left is quite larger, it has to supply blood to the whole body. Right has to supply blood only to the lungs. Right is thin wall, left is thick wall. Actually, आप जब कट लोगे ना, left ऐसा है, right is very thin wall. Okay? हाँ? ऐसा आपने पढ़ा है? हाँ? छोटा दिखता है लेफ्ट का कैविटी बिकॉज उसका वॉल्स थिक है, दैट्स व्हाई यू फील कि उसका कैविटी छोटा है. अदरवाइज इतना कैविटी में इतना डिफरेंस नहीं है. मेन डिफरेंस इज इन द थिकनेस ऑफ द वॉल. ओके, सो लेट्स रिवाइज फास्ट. द हार्ट शोज, और वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सटर्नल फीचर्स ऑफ हार्ट. Say he is big hearted, small hearted, bad, his heart is bad, good hearted, whatever it is. External features are same for everything. Internal features are also same, but heart, when we say, actually it's what is in the mind. Okay, so we are talking about external features. So what are the features? The heart shows a base which is on the top, base formed by left atrium, both atrium. Apex formed by heart shows four borders. Sometimes we call this as superior border also. Okay, superior border again formed by the right atrium plus left atrium. Superior border. Right border formed by right atrium. Inferior border formed by right ventricle and left ventricle. Left border formed by left ventricle and left atrium. Heart shows four borders: base, apex, and three surfaces. Anterior surface is sternocostal surface formed by right atrium, right ventricle. Inferior or diaphragmatic surface formed by and left surface formed by. So that's about the external features of the heart.